Hey guys, welcome again to Anabon Security's channel. Today we're going to be talking about some technical aspects instead of going through the sales pitch. Well, honestly, I don't know why you guys are still going through some other brands when it comes to some specific products, because we already have everything you need on the surveillance side. But still, in case you wanted to use other brands, this video is for you, because I'm going to be talking about connectivity and integration this time. Not just through OnVIF. Put OnVIF aside, because we all know that TND and Case, they're already all OnVIF enabled out of the box. What I'm essentially saying is that in case the brand you're using doesn't have the OnVIF protocol and you still want to use it alongside with our own equipment, you should use the RTSP, which stands for Real-Time Streaming Protocol. Stay with us and we're going to be talking about this one today.
There we go, talking about mix and matching different cameras with different brands of recorders, VMSs and cloud solutions, and that's one of the parts I like when I'm configuring CCTV systems. As my colleague Dustin mentioned, if you're looking for OnVIF connections, dealing with TND cameras and Case cameras, you're not going to have any problems, because out of the box, all the cameras going to have profiles S, T, and G of OnVIF enabled, and you don't even have to create a user to make them OnVIF enabled. So you can go ahead, change the IP address on them, and make them online on different brands of recorders. Now let's say you want to go with RTSP stream. I mean, that's needed sometimes when there's no OnVIF option, or let's say you want to just grab the image of the camera and put it on any of the streaming devices. In that case, you can go with configuration, network, basic set, TCP/IP, and then under other, you will find the RTSP stream. Now right now I'm logged into the NVR, so I do have a lot of cameras on this one, but you can have the same RTSP stream when you're logging into the camera itself. Everything on TND and Case is edge side, so the camera itself will provide you with all the options that you have on the NVR. That's good. Now here, as you can see, I do have the RTSP sample. It goes RTSP column / username column password at IP address column port / channel that you're looking for, because we're in the NVR, and a / stream that you're looking for. To give you an example, let's say the IP address of the NVR is 192.168.1.3. The default RTSP port always is going to be 554 in all the brands. So RTSP admin, which is the username, admin, which is the default password, at IP address of the NVR with the port 554, and I'm looking for my first camera, channel number 1, and I'm looking for the main quality stream. If I'm looking for the secondary stream, that will be number 2. On some of the cameras, I only have 2 streams. On some of them, I do have 3 streams or even more, so I can specify the number that I'm looking for. In order to use it for RTSP stream, I created another user on my recorder, named it RTSP user. One of the important things that I wanted to mention here, when you're choosing the password to your user, make sure you don't use any columns or @ symbols, because as you can see in that RTSP stream, we do have some columns and @ symbols as indicators. So that RTSP stream is using those symbols in order to find out where you have the username, where you have the password, where you have the IP address. If I have an @ symbol or a column in my password, it would mess it up, and you're not going to have the image that you want. I've copied that to my notepad, so RTSP, that's my username, RTSP user, that's my password, that's the IP address of the recorder, that's the RTSP port. I'm looking for my first camera, main quality stream. Now that RTSP stream can be used anywhere you want to, in another recorder, in another VMS provider or cloud solution, or even in your YouTube channel, or even in the VLC media player. Anywhere you put that in, you will find the live streaming of the camera. Let's give you an example here. As an example, I do have VLC media player, so I can copy the stream URL that I have, go with media, network stream, and put it in here. Let's go play. There we go. That's the live stream of one of my cameras.
Thank you, Uncle Tommy. And well, the tech room always has its own vibe. And well, this one is just another video from the technical aspects. To learn more about the technical sides of the brands we carry, feel free to just subscribe and stay tuned for the next ones. Thank you.